Good morning, everyone, and thanks for logging on to this special webcast of the first flight of the Boeing 787-9. On behalf of the 170,000 men and women of the Boeing Company, I want to welcome you. So glad you can be with us as we all witness the next great chapter in aviation history. And there you see it starting to move out from the Boeing facility out towards the runway here at Payne Field. Joining me live is Mark Jenks.
Yeah, well, really it's about performance, first and foremost. And the 787-9 is just an amazingly efficient machine. Now, this is not a simple stretch. We put a lot of technology in the airplane. The team did it, and it's just been an amazingly smooth development process.
Is that a beautiful airplane or what?
It's tremendous.
It's going to be a really exciting event for us. And the Dash 9 is absolutely critical to our strategy going forward. Between the Dash 8, the Dash 9, and the Dash 10 that we launched this summer, we've got a great lineup.
Boeing 001 Heavy, contact Dallas departure. You have a good flight. Winter departure, thank you much, Tower Boeing 001 Heavy.
There, as you see again, the 787-9 taking a turn to the left, heading out west, preceded by two chase airplanes. Does this ever get old for you?
No, never. How can this get old? I mean, it's a culmination of all this great work that our teams have done, and this is what we live for. I mean, this is what makes us a great provider of these terrific airplanes.
You can start to make out the upward sweep of those beautiful Dreamliner wings as it slowly descends onto Boeing Field. You can see the Seattle Space Needle behind it, the Seattle skyline. The maiden flight of the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner about to wrap up here. Captains Randy Neville and Mike Bryan, both very experienced pilots in their own right, and especially on the 787. The 5-hour flight today only adds to their giant Dreamliner resume.
Wow, what an amazing day. I don't want to steal any of these guys' thunder, but I'll tell you what, this is about as close to a flawless first flight as I could have imagined.
We call that a no-squawk flight. We just really shook out the plane, and it came out really, really well. It's a great jet.
What a beautiful airplane. We had a great flight. We got as much done as we could have in the time allotted, so it was a very successful flight. I think the customers are going to love it.
Thank you. And that concludes the wonderful milestone that is the first flight of the Boeing 787-9. We thank you for all those who showed up here today, and also for the tens of thousands who logged on to the website to watch this special webcast and to share this milestone with us.